Here are 5 lead types that will give you a better chance of becoming or being successful in real estate for the year 2023. Right? Number 1 is absentee owners. So absentee owners are out of state owners of real estate. All right. Number 2 is vacancy. There are about 16 million vacant housing units in the US. Number 3, board investors. These are absentee owners, usually, who have owned the property for more than 7 to 10 years. Number 4 is tax delinquent. Now, these are properties that have some type of tax delinquency noted within around the last 36 months. Number 5, last but not least, pre-foreclosures. These are properties that have not hit foreclosure yet. However, they are in the process of foreclosure. You can become the solution, helping them list the property, sell the property, or at least giving them awareness that they have some type of foreclosure issue or activity so that they can correct it. How and where to get leads? Visit the website right here so you can see it. Visit that and get all these leads for you so that you can be successful in your real estate business and become wealthy and prosperous.